Hi guys, this is Sebastian with LIQUI MOLY, and today we are visiting one of the most amazing partners we have down here, Fusion Motor Company. I would like to present you to Gil.
Hey guys, Gil at Fusion Motor Company. So excited to be partnered here with LIQUI MOLY. We are a highline car dealership. We specialize in our custom Gone in 60 Second, officially licensed Eleanor Mustangs and our exciting Defender 110s. You can see some of our finished Eleanors and Defenders here behind us, and we start with a donor vehicle. The vehicle comes in, goes through a media blasting process. We expose all the areas of the body that need work. So here we have one of the donor vehicles that comes in. You can see there's a lot of rust here. Floor pans are missing. This car is going to be a beautiful Eleanor once it gets through our process. So here in the metal shop, we do all the work after the car gets sandblasted. We see all the areas where there's rust, and we can start fixing the metal on this baby. You can see here, this is a car that effectively needed almost an entire front end on it, and that's sometimes the hand that we're dealt, dealing with these old classics that come from all over the world. So now inside our body shop, guys, this car has come back out from powder coating, and as you can see here, all these black surfaces, these are all areas that have been powder coated, including the entire inside and every crevice of this car, so this car is gonna outlive us. So here in our carbon fiber composites department, you can see we hand build all the molds for the carbon fiber pieces. And without further ado, you can see the lightness of this carbon fiber grille for the Defender 110s. So this particular car is in its final stages of paint and body. All of the body panels have been fit on perfectly, the gaps are aligned, and you can even see already that we've started shooting the black for the stripes that go over the top of this bad boy. So here in our final assembly area, you see here this D90, it's got a supercharged LSA. This one's getting ready for the full LIQUI MOLY treatment to ensure that the engine is lasting and running to its peak performance. And here you have an Eleanor in final assembly. Engine mock-up is in for the exhaust, interior, electrical, everything getting done right here. So after final assembly, these vehicles will go out for our road test. We'll put some test miles on them, make sure everything is the way it should be before we make that final delivery to a very happy and satisfied customer.
Thank you very much, Gil, for that amazing presentation, amazing walk around. We really enjoyed what we saw. Every time I'm here, I'm mind blown.
Well, Sebastian, really appreciate you guys coming out through here. We're honored to have LIQUI MOLY to our facility and see what we're doing out here.
Thank you.
Thank you.